have the habit of drinking tea every day? A study published in the European Society of Cardiology journal says that people who drink tea at least 3 times a week live longer and have a healthier heart. Isn't it amazing? Teas have many health benefits, and each one has its own characteristics and properties. And that's why teas are recommended to start the day well, in the afternoon, or even before sleeping. A great way of fighting stress and anxiety is to enjoy the soothing properties of medicinal herbs. For example, teas for relaxing and deep sleep. Lemon balm, soothing action and can be used for sleep disorders, nervousness, and anxiety. Lavender, rich in coumarin and essential oils with soothing and relaxing properties. It acts against nervous tension. St. John's wort. It is a good restorer for the nervous system and also an antidepressant. It can be used to treat depression, anxiety, and agitation. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Valerian. The root has a soothing action and stimulates sleep, being recommended in cases of agitation, insomnia, phobias, or anxiety. Chamomile. Its calming action over the nervous and digestive systems creates a sensation that calms nervousness and agitation. Linden. It has soothing properties that aid in treating nervous system disorders like excessive stress, anxiety, and hysteria. To make any of these teas, choose your soothing herb, then add 1 sachet or 0.7 ounces of it in 1 cup of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the tea 2 to 3 times a day or before stressful situations. If you need help sleeping, valerian is the best option since it increases the melatonin levels, which are necessary to induce sleep. In this case, drink valerian tea 15 to 30 minutes before sleeping, and avoid watching TV or using electronic devices. The advantage of herbal teas over drugstore tranquilizers is that natural teas don't cause any dependence or side effects. You can make tea with any of these herbs, or find supplements at natural health stores, supermarkets, and even drugstores. Supplements are usually prescribed by a nutritionist or phytotherapist, who will give you the correct dose. Supplements work well to alleviate long-term symptoms, for example, reducing anxiety crises. If you are pregnant and need a tranquilizer, it is important to talk to your doctor first, since some teas may cause side effects or not be safe for the baby. Passion fruit juice is a natural tranquilizer and doesn't have any contraindications for pregnant women. Choose a tea to try and come back and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.